The multi-purpose tool that comes with the Pfaff sewing machines is just that. It has 3 different uses that we have done videos on, and we'll link to them up in this upper right corner. So when you see the little eye popping out, that will take you to the video that you're looking for. So first off, we were stitching on buttons, and if you need a little extra shank of thread, so something can button to this button and it's not just decorative, you actually use that to separate and give a little lift to the button, and it will leave a little bit more thread than just stitching it straight to the fabric. Next, the multi-purpose tool also has a little hole in it. And it's not just a hole, it has a flat side on the back. So for taking your needles in and out, you can easily slide it up the needle, loosen the screw, and the needle will drop into the tool instead of your machine. And then vice versa, to put the needle into your machine, drop it into the holder, slide it up, and then tighten it, and then that way you're not getting your fingers all the way underneath this machine. It's actually a little easier to use the tool than your own fingers. And last, we went up and over a really thick denim seam by letting the tool balance out or level out our presser foot as we go. So again, check in this upper corner for those videos. You will notice that on the tool there is 2 different thicknesses. So if we had something that was super thick, we could use the thicker side, and it keeps the foot perfectly balanced. You don't get any skip stitches. You don't get any needles breaking because you've pushed the fabric and helped it through. Let this multi-purpose tool help you for all these different techniques.